Great start to the morning. Left everything behind. Rough start this morning. Didn't get onto the water until about 8:30. But we are finally on the water. We have a makeshift gimbal mount with a phone. So we've got the phone battery to play with to record a video. You'll see a little bit of harsh sunlight. Pretty normal. I'll turn the exposure down when we're fishing. So let's give this a go. On. Yeah. They're stacked up here. Loosen up the drag a little bit. Yeah, better. Heaps better. Hell yeah, that's a perch. Thank you very much. That's on the Rapala Fat Jack. Yep. Yep. Fighting. They're stacked. Another good one. I got a big one. They are stacked. Not big, but like we're talking 35, 30s. Good fish for me. Hell yeah. Love me perch. On. Get the dog. We're on again. Oh, he's taking drag. Oh, he's big. He's like, it's good size. It's same size as the other guys. James keeps catching these small ones. I keep plucking these big ones out for some reason. You! It's good size. Another big one. I don't know how. I must be going through the right school or something. They're stacked. They're like literally on this side. All right. Some pretty good fish happening on the yak. Take him off. Might change lures and see if we can get something on a different lure. That lure there is doing. Whoa, 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 whoa! Relax, bro. That fat jack is doing the damage right now. That's 3 good ones.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh, they're fucking pumping.
Yeah. You're good. I might go plastic. Yeah.
Plastic.
Yeah. Give it. You should give it a go too.
Yeah, I should actually. That's been crushing that colour.
Hey?
It's been crushing that colour.
Bro, they're eating anything. They're just in the middle. Like they're on the edge. See where the rocks are?
Yeah.
They're just on the edge of it. Because they were stacked along this. They're stacked along this bank. I can't find them anymore. So I've just switched it up. We've taken the hard body off and we've gone with a 1/4 ounce with a Yabby UV Imposter. Just drifting over there now, but don't know. They're reacting to a hard body, but it's not plastic. Just can't get him to bite on the. There we go. On the plastic. Staying down. There's no way I jagged it. There is absolutely. Nope, I literally jagged it. Oh my god. This is not even. How is this even possible? I literally jagged him in the back. There is absolutely no bloody way That's how you tell they're bloody stacked. You're not even catching them. You're just bloody jagging them. Jag him on the bloody jag him on the soft plastic on the bloody shoulder. Talked about stacked fish. We're catching them on the backs with the Maxwell 2 by Rapala. There we go. So this one's got a little bit of a scar mark, but that one's on the imposter. We'll let this one go. It's a bit small for the live well. See you later, mate. Thank you. They're, see the pole? See that pole? They're in the middle. So from the pole to about here, right in the middle of it. Just aim for halfway. You'll smack them straight away. Got a couple on the plastic, which is pretty fun. Did you bring any food? Do you want some jerky? I got heaps. I bought 2 packets. Yeah. Yeah, look, when you're ready, let me know. Oh, Jesus Christ! That, he slapped it. Absolutely smoked it. Good one. Yeah, very good one. Change of lure and we got one on the X-Lite mid diver. Pretty cool fish. Barwin River perch. It's funny how you can get the size of these and then you get a size that big. Any luck at the front? One. Oh, lizard, nice. We're on. I was drinking when we were on. Don't know how big it is. A lot of head shakes. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, he's staying down. Oh, might be a good alright one. Not bad. Taking drag and everything. It's a good one. Oh, it's a solid fish. Solid fish! Solid fish! No way! That's a great one. Look at that. Take your time, you'll be right. On. James. Get him. Oh, that's another half of this finish. Another good one. A new colour. Good fish. There we go. Quick change on the fat jack. Beautiful fish. Slight issue with the live well, but fix it. That's a very good one. Get him in the net. That's a very good one. We are on the way back in. We're going to let all the fish go at the ramp. We did actually really well. Doesn't have to be the fish, just feel me getting the fish out. The water. Second guy. Water. Jesus. Third guy. So this is the session we had today between me and James. We have a fair few EPs in here, as you can see. When I let them go with the boat ramp, I'll drop the net in, let these guys go in front of us. Slowly let them out. Come on, mate. There was one guy that was a bit iffy, but we'll see how he goes. Come on, mate. What are you doing? Get out. Last one. Live well, no casualties. All swam away. We ended with a very good session. We caught maybe like 30 EPs between us, and we let them go at the boat ramp.